This is the 6.2 Interpreting Graphs Show You Know questions. So in our first Show You Know, we have the graph presented to us on the right-hand side, and we get told, this graph shows the plane's altitude as it lands. The relationship between altitude and time is approximately linear. On the graph, we can see that we've got time going across the bottom, which is our x-axis, and we've got y going down the side, which is our y-axis. In this case, we can see that we've been given the variables t representing time in seconds and d representing altitude in kilometers. And so coming back to that first question, in question A, we get asked, what was the plane's approximate altitude at 50 seconds? So in order for us to solve that question, we're going to sort of zoom in. We know the time is 50 seconds. So if we locate time on the bottom, we can see that it's in increments of 20 seconds. So we're going to find about halfway between 40 and 60 would obviously be 50. And we're going to follow that up. We're going to find what point it's at, and then we're going to follow that point over to the left to determine our y value or our altitude, what the number of kilometers was. And at 50 seconds, we can see that it was about 10 seconds. So for 1A, sorry, that's huge, 50 seconds is equal to about, and actually I'm going to say about because we know approximately, and it's about 10 kilometers. In B, we get asked at what time was the plane's altitude approximately 11 kilometers. So from here, this time we are given an altitude, so we're given our y value, so we know that we're looking for 11. We can see here that the graph is representing a scale of 5. So if we go slightly above that 10, so sort of slightly above that 10, and then we pull it down to the left, down to the bottom, we can see that it's about probably, I'd say about 45 seconds there, recognizing that that's going to be our partial value. So B at 11 kilometers is about equal to about 45 seconds. Okay. C, is it appropriate to join the points with a straight line? Yes. Again, when we look at determining whether or not things should be joined by a straight line, we want to think about, is there a reasonable context or a situation where the data points in between the given plotted points would be considered to be valid? And so we actually used data between the given data points. We interpolated to solve for B because that was given between the data points given. So for this, absolutely we would want to connect them by a straight line because again, a line just means that there's value in between the given determined data points. So for this, we would say something along the lines of, yes, it is linear, or it should be joined by a line because there are points between the plotted data that would still be valid. So for example, we used 2 of them, right? When we saw 50 seconds, 50 seconds was not one of the times that was plotted. 11 kilometers was not one of the distances or the altitudes that was plotted, okay? Let's take a look at Show You Know 2. In Show You Know 2, we get told the value of a computer decreases over time. So we can see that's a negative slope. It's going down. The graph shows the value of the computer right after it was bought. After approximately what time period does the computer have no value? So we want to think about, when we look at our graph, we can see we've got time sitting on our x-axis at the bottom. On the left-hand side, on our y-axis, we've got the value going in money. And so they're asking us, at what point would the value be 0? So at what point would we see, if we were to continue that line, right? If we were to continue. So if we were to continue that strategy when our y value is 0, so we can see here that this would have a y value of 0, but we can see that our x is 5 And so that tells us that 5 years in, the value would be approximately 0. So for A, after 5 years, it would be about 0. B, when was the computer worth approximately 200? So from here, we want to think about, okay, we know we're given the value of 200, so we want to think about finding that 200 on our graph, and we want to follow it over to the right. We can see that that passes, and then we want to come down to see what is our x value at that time. I can see here that this point is sitting at 200. So after 4 years, it's worth $200, about $200 after 4 years. And then for C, is it appropriate to join the parts of the straight line? Yes. Again, the straight line is basically saying, is there anything of note? Is there anything that we might need to access between the two given data points? And in this case, yeah, I might want to know what's happening here, right? I would want to see those patterns continue, or to have an estimate, a rough value of the computer's worth for values in between the whole years. So yes, C. Sorry, that looks like E. C, is it approximate to join? Yes, it is linear. And again, it's because there is data, there's valid information that sits between the data points that were plotted.